Let's go to home builders, our sector spotlight for the day. Talking about some stocks that are actually acting well. Commercial real estate ETF hit new highs on Monday, and the two largest holdings in that ETF, Simon Property Group and Vornado. Have you missed those stocks? And is this a place you even want to get into?
It's funny because a lot of hedge fund managers have made money here, and a lot of people have been betting against this space because they figured after the home decline and after everything that happened in housing, commercial real estate was the next to go, me being another one of them, so I haven't looked at it. But if you look at the chart here, price action doesn't lie. And if you look at V&O, actually that's the second tier one. If you go to SPG, this was an unbelievable move. Add new highs, above all the moving averages. This should have been on the radar, but it wasn't. So some people,
missed it.
I think we missed it. People made money there. It's important to note, V&O, not quite as frothy. There's still some action here. This was an entry that you could have had right back to these highs. Little sideways movement, and there could be a trade above 94. This is acting very well.
And we were talking before the show started that it's because of mall building that's doing really well, which you should pay attention to when the retailers start reporting in full gear. And residential real estate, different story.
Much different.
Not good. Don't go there. Okay.
Not yet.
And I have to also highlight Home Depot and Lowe's, which is sort of the retail housing play. So if you're not going to sell your house, you want to fix it up. If you want to sell it, you have to fix it up. And if you buy a new one, you got to fix it up. So is that a sweet spot for these two guys?
Well, they've been acting well. We've covered them. There's been some trades there right now. They're not powering into new highs yet. They're worth putting on the radar, but you really need to be careful to see volume come in at the highs. Otherwise, they might roll over a little bit. If you look at Home Depot, we talked about this stock many times. Last time being, in the beginning of the year, right when it broke out at this area. Now it's going sideways here, but it's having a little bit of a hard time, near this resistance. This was the old highs. It really has to get through this, I would say, 38.50 to 39 for a powerful move. And real quickly, on Lowe's, it also is starting to break this little uptrend, which I don't like. It couldn't get through these highs. So I'm just going to be a little careful here. I think we need to watch them a little bit more closely and not look to add to positions you could be in a tier one. But when we talk retail, we got to talk the best of the best. And we all know that we've been long Amazon. It's had a nice move.